Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change screen color mode and its options in Realme 14x phone. First, where to find it? We need to go to settings. Next in settings we're looking for display and brightness options, and here we have screen color mode. So we have two modes. We have the vivid mode and we have the natural mode. Of course, here at the bottom we can change some more options. We can enable warm colors, we can turn our screen to more colder colors, and we can change it whatever we want using this palette here. Of course, we can go back to the default options by tapping the middle option. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.